Now we're going to take a look at how you used evidence in your paragraph. And everything in evidence is going to be highlighted in yellow. So go look at your paragraph and look at anything that I highlighted in yellow was something that was from your book. And it was something from your book, maybe an event, maybe a character. In this one you can see when Harry brings Ava back from the dead after she dies from the river accident. It's a detail right out of the book. That is what should be highlighted in yellow. I was looking for, just like in this example, how it's very specific. It's an event from the book. I would say this was a little bit more general. The Great Dane that Harry owns. I would want a little more specific detail about, well, how did the dog react in the book, or how was he involved in the book? What did he do? How does he show up in the book? So something a little bit more specific. So I would say the first one is a really good example of how a specific detail can be described from the book, and then the second one was a little bit more general. So when we go to look at your rubric, to get that smoothly integrated, thorough, and relevant evidence, to get a 10 here, I would expect that you had really good specific example like the first one that was from the book. To get general use of evidence, it was probably more like the second detail, where there really wasn't much connection to the book. Weakly integrated evidence, I saw a lot of people that really focused more on the Greek mythology part for their evidence instead of on their book. And so that's kind of hopefully helps you understand why you got the grade that you got. Your next step then is to go to the check-in form, and you're going to tell me, did you get a 10, an 8, a 6, or a 4? And if you were kind of in the middle, maybe part of yours was highlighted in 8 and part of it was in 6, then you can explain that here under other. Okay, and then you're going to go on to the next section, which is looking at your explanation.